Hey guys, this is Titas from Viking Dome. Today I'm on the beach side of Lithuania and we built a 11-meter diameter dome for a beach bar. This dome has a white tent with panoramic tent windows. Here you can see this is a hole for air conditioner. The frame is from metal tubes. Here is a wide glass door made from tempered glass. Here is the inside. This is the side window. It will be right here. And on the other side it's already attached. You can unhook this and then open up this side window for extra ventilation. This is how the tube system looks. 6 different tubes connected into one spot. All of these tubes have different numbers. So when you look at the assembly scheme, you know which one goes where. Here is the back door. It's for beach bar crew, employees. So this is a panoramic side window. Attach it to the main tent. Here you can see these hooks. Now I would like to talk a bit about the assembly process of the dome. We laid out the metal tubes on the terrace around the perimeter according to the correct number on the assembly scheme. So the perimeter is S5 in this case, the perimeter tube. Here you can see that each tube is numbered. We attached the perimeter tubes to the main door frame and then erected the first layer. Afterwards we just went up from each layer and then used scaffolding to connect the top perimeter that will be right here. To attach the PVC tent to the main frame, we firstly used ropes that we tied to a water bottle and then we threw them over the dome on the other side. Then once we threw all the ropes, we connected the one rope side to the PVC tent on this side. Here you can see the process of us dragging the tent right here. So this is the process, and then we slowly but surely just moved the tent over the dome. So we're just dragging it here. You can see we're just out of frame. But here, as you can see, we didn't have a scaffolding the next day, so one of the assemblers just went over the dome to just kind of push it over where it was tied up on a few spots. And then we come here because we only need to drag it down over here and don't need to use the ropes anymore really. And now you can see the tent is over the dome. However, you see that the dome has 2 doors, so the over the door frame where the tent is cut out. So for that we went inside, and then we started to rotate the tent cover to the correct position on the frame, so the cutout matches the door. As you can see, here is the cutout of the back door, and opposite is the cutout to the front door. And as you can see, it's moving. We're just inside, we're just pushing the tent and rotating it. And now this is how it looks from the inside. Another look from the interior. As mentioned earlier, this dome is 11 meters in diameter and has 96 square meters of floor area, so it will be plenty of space to serve many guests in the dome. This beach site does not have any beach bars in any close vicinity, but already has many tourists at the beginning of the season. People were asking us when will the dome open up. It is a great opportunity for the owner to turn a good profit during the summer season. If you're interested in a PVC tent dome, I will leave a link to our collection page below. Alternatively, you can book a call with me and we can talk about your project. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.